Alright, welcome to the channel. Sorry if the sun is blocking the view a little bit. I'm gonna go to my confidence dock. I usually feel pretty good after I leave that dock because the action is good. Today is, according to Salt Strong, it's not real good fishing anywhere. It's one of the lowest scores you can get, strike scores, but I have some Blue Magic shrimp that I'm gonna cut up and throw out there. I got some fish gum like always, and I got my lucky rod, so we'll see what happens, so stay tuned. Alright guys, this is what I'm starting with. A little bucket just in case, a little bit of supplies in there, my tackle box, my lucky rod. I have pieces of shrimp. I'm gonna put some fish gum. I'm gonna try the shrimp by itself first, then I'm gonna do fish gum and see how that changes the game. It's a double dropper rig with beads, different hooks to see if that makes a difference. I also have a pyramid sinker, a little tiny one. Hopefully it'll work. Oh, they're biting it right away. There it is. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Ah! Tiny little bait fish. They're there. Absolutely there, guys. Found some fish. Tiny little baits. Look at that. We'll put some shrimp. Ooh, something's hitting it right there. Look at this. Oh, snapper baby on the fish gum. I put it straight down. Look at this beast. Oh, it's tangling me up so bad. Come on, buddy. Stop doing that. Look, fish gum, fish gum. That's a palm smash. In that gold hook. Don't bite me. Look at this guy. Yeah. Think I got one. I do. Baby tiny whiting. Glad to see you, buddy.